Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I am going to be showing you how to get rid of dandruff with a very simple yet natural home remedy. Using this on your hair will not only kill the dandruff, it will also clean up your hair follicles, enabling your hair to grow fast and more darker. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. For dandruff guys, you're going to be needing apple cider vinegar. Okay, the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar will help to eradicate dandruff from the hair, and it also helps to strengthen the hair, and it reduces split ends and hair breakage. And then we're going to be needing ginger. Okay, I've actually washed and prepared this ginger. Ginger is a great remedy for the skin and also for the body. Now, using ginger would help us so much in removing dandruff, okay, with the help of apple cider vinegar. And also we're going to be needing aspirin. Aspirin is a great remedy that helps to leave the skin healthy, and it also cures dandruff. It leaves the scalp clean, and it also helps to remove dirt from the hair follicles. Then we're going to be making use of lemon. Now, with the citric acids in lemon, it helps to leave the skin glowing, and it will also help to remove dandruff. Alright, so I'm gonna be blending the aspirin. So I'm going to be using 4, 6, 10. So some pieces of aspirin. Alright, so you can see very well blended into powder form. Now let's transfer that into the bowl. Alright, so you have to blend it to be very smooth. So I'm using a platinum blender to do that. And also for the ginger guys, I'm also going to be blending the garlic, the ginger, very well blended. there we go. Alright, so we're gonna now squeeze in the lemon. And then to stir. So for the apple cider vinegar, you can pour in as you want it to be, but I'm going to be putting in just 1 tablespoon of that. Then we're going to stir. Alright, so for this you're going to add up a little bit of warm water so it can go around your hair. Okay, so I'm going to be adding up water. Now we're going to sieve it out, okay? I'm just going to be sieving it out into this cup. And there you go. Okay, so this is your dandruff treatment. So what you do is that you transfer it into a container where you can just put it into your hair. Alright, like that. So how you're going to apply this is that you're just going to part your hair and then you can just, alright, so for this you can actually apply it on your hair as any time that you want to wash your hair, and you apply this, okay, and it's just going to help you to heal and remove all of the dandruff. You're going to be surprised by your result. It's going to be so super great. So that's it, guys. Using this would effectively remove the dandruff, remove the itchiness, and remove the smelly and dirty hair. Okay, so you should also remember to wash your hair to prevent the dandruff. Okay, and also use a very good oil like coconut oil to moisturize your hair, because the causes of some of this dandruff is as a result of some bad oil that will clog onto your hair follicles, and then it will therefore, you know, just be there and itchy and scratchy, forming dandruff. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Don't forget to also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay beautiful and flawless. Bye guys.